Hello students, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today I'm explaining the second chemical property of amines. Okay, so that is nothing but acylation. So already we have discussed alkylation process. There addition of alkyl group takes place. So here in acylation, addition of acyl group takes place. Okay, so mainly what is acylation process? Ethylamine reacts with, not ethylamine, or if you take a primary or secondary amines, they reacts with acid chlorides. Okay, they reacts with acid chlorides to produce N substituted amides along with hydrochloric acid byproduct. Okay, so what do we mean by acyl chloride or acid chloride? Let us see acid chloride means what. So if you take any acid, so already you know what is the functional group of acid. COOH. Okay, COOH is a functional group of acid. So R attached to COOH is nothing but R can be any alkyl group here. Okay, any alkyl or aryl groups you can add. Okay, now if I replace this OH group with chloride, I'm replacing this OH group, then I call it as acid chloride. Okay, so it is a derivative obtained from the acid, so hence we are calling it as acid chloride. So in this reaction, firstly I am taking the primary amine, that is ethylamine. Ethylamine is reacting with acetyl chloride. So it is acetyl chloride means already you know the formula of acetic acid, CH3COOH. So from COOH I am replacing OH with Cl. Okay, so hence we call this as a acetyl chloride, which is obtained from acetic acid. So now this ethylamine reacts with acetyl chloride and producing an ethyl estamide and HCl byproduct. Okay, so now if I take secondary amine, so secondary amine means the amine group attached to alkyl groups. So you can observe clearly two alkyl groups are present. To this NH group, two alkyl groups are attached. So it is a dimethylamine. So this dimethylamine or secondary amine reacting with acetyl chloride again and producing NN dimethyl estamide. Okay, NN dimethyl acetamide along with HCl byproduct. So let us see the mechanism of the reaction. So I am taking same way primary amine or ethylamine I am taking here. I am taking the acid chloride or acetyl chloride here. So in acetyl chloride, oxygen being electronegative, I am shifting this double bonded electrons towards oxygen. So oxygen attracts electrons towards itself, no? So oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Now nitrogen of amine is basic in nature. It can donate electrons to the positively charged carbon now. So it acts as a nucleophile in this reaction. So you can clearly see carbon gets positive charge, no? This nitrogen is donating electrons to this positive charge and forming a bond with this. So you can see CN bond is formed. CN bond along with two hydrogens, C2H5. So oxygen is getting a negative charge when you are shifting the bond. Okay. So now in order to satisfy the bonds now, I'll remove this Cl. Okay. Cl if I remove, it will get we know already chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, so it is taking electrons towards itself, so it will get Cl minus charge. So now this carbon, when you're shifting bond towards the Cl, this carbon gets positive charge and this oxygen is having negative charge, both negative and positive charges forming a double bond. So CH3 C double bond O, again Cl is removed here. So now N H and bonded to two hydrogens and C2H5 is same again. So nitrogen is forming a 4 bond, so we are indicating that with a positive charge. Okay, here nitrogen donated electrons, due to that it is getting the positive charge. So now what I will do, again I need to satisfy the positive charge of the nitrogen. So what I will do, I'll shift this bond of hydrogen electrons towards the nitrogen. So now hydrogen donates electrons to the nitrogen and hydrogen coming out as a H plus, and we are having NH bond here, CH3CO, NH and C2H5. The positive charge of nitrogen is nullified. So you can clearly see that there is a formation of N-ethyl estamide. Okay, so here in this reaction, same way if you are taking a secondary amine, it produces N and dimethyl acetamide. So in both reactions, you are getting amides as a byproduct, amides as a main product, and along with that HCl as a byproduct. Okay, so this is completely about acylation reaction and the mechanism. Thank you.